Hello guys. Today I will talk about like how you can master JavaScript and what things you need to learn. So let's deep dive into like how you can do web development easily with the JavaScript. So yeah, let's move and see the amazing features. So what I'm going to discuss about today is like what are the advanced JavaScript concept that you need to focus on, and what are the efficient ways to write JavaScript code, and what are the tricks for debugging JavaScript applications, what are the client-side frameworks, the JavaScript frameworks we have in which we can work, and what are the best practices for do the JavaScript development, kind of web development. My main focus is on the development currently. So, and how you can maintain the security, JavaScript security we have. What are some advanced tips? So, what are the advanced tips and tricks for hosting JavaScript that experienced developer can use to take their so take skills to the next level? So, what things you need to focus on? Like you need to learn about the closures. You need to know about the prototypes we have. Like we have scopes, lexical scope, and lexical scope, global scope, block scope. There are lots of things we have. Prototypes, we have different kind of prototypes we have, and how we can create functions in the prototype and the prototype, and how we can use those prototype, and how it is efficient, like how it improves the performance of web application, and what are IAFE. So these are some kind of functions we have that automatically triggered. So there are different types of functions we have in JavaScript, so you need to focus on all those functions. And yeah, these are the core things that are very important if you want to start your career in the web development. So these are the basic topics you must need to learn. And so, what are the tips for writing JavaScript code? So, what you can do here, so these things you can focus on, like you focus on the code optimization part, like performance is the big part, like you must know need to focus on, and proper use of variables, avoiding global variables, and use of libraries and frameworks. There are lots of frameworks we have with that you can learn. So it also provides lots of ways to improve the things, and dividing global variables and proper use of variables means we have variables like let const where. So try to use let const whenever you need. And yeah, so to debug the application, what you can do, you can use console logs. There are lots of console statements, console error, console trace. There are lots of utilities that console provides, so you can use that. And there are lots of debugging tools we have, like Chrome dev tools you can use. And these are the debugging techniques, like you can add debugger under the Chrome browser, or you can write the debugger keyword in your code. So whenever you load the application, it will stop at that point. Yeah, so these are the practices that you can follow. And these are the frameworks that we have, like Angular, React, Vue. So these are the top client side frameworks that you can use, you can learn. And it is also important to document the things, to format the code, and code testing. Like code testing is just check your code in all scenarios, uh, add try catch statements, check the failure scenarios. So all those things are very important to learn. And yeah, code review, like if you wrote any code, just take a review from your peer, so it will give some feedback so you can improve accordingly. And you must also know about all these security concerns we have, like you need to make your application so that you can prevent all those attacks, like cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and injection attacks. So, and try to whenever you deploy your code, you must unify your build. So there are lots of practices you can follow to secure your code. So these are the basic things that you can focus on initially if you started working on JavaScript and you want to start your career in the web development. So it is very important to get a basic idea of the JavaScript and all those things. Thanks guys for watching.